The suspect accused of shooting 5 people inside a Montgomery County Walmart has his day in court. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Natasha Brown. Keenan Jones appeared for an arraignment this morning. He told the judge about his mental state. Eyewitness News reporter Alicia Nieves is live near Walmart in Wyncote with more for us. Alicia.
Well, Yuki and Natasha, the man accused of pulling out a gun and shooting several people inside the Walmart just behind me, said for the first time today that he hadn't wanted to admit it in the past, never wanted to speak up about it, but believes that he has been suffering from mental issues. That man, of course, 30-year-old Keenan Jones, a Philadelphia man. He said to a judge all of that today as he was formally charged in a Montgomery County District Court with the shooting. Police believe that he began shooting in the Walmart after an argument with someone at a checkout line. But in court again, Jones explained the incident likely had little to do with that argument and more to do with his mental issues that he believes that he has, toppled with recent stress. Jones said that he had not slept in 5 days, that yesterday his girlfriend gave birth to their child, and that just before going into the Walmart, he had eaten something that made him feel funny. Jones allegedly shot 5 people again inside the Walmart, none of them, though, dealing with life-threatening injuries. He's also accused of fleeing and injuring 2 Philadelphia police officers who were hurt while they were trying to arrest him. On that note, he had a specific message for police in court, telling a judge, quote, "I want to apologize to all the police officers for all the crap they had to witness," end quote. Now, Jones repeatedly over and over in court told the judge that he had never done anything like this before, and a neighbor, also a friend of Jones, told us what happened yesterday for him just isn't representative of the man that he knows.
As long as I know him for the past few years, he was a wonderful neighbor, real nice guy. I can tell that he's a person of God. So the thing that I saw on the news yesterday, that's not him. So I don't know what happened to him, but that definitely wasn't him.
And Jones tonight is in jail being held on $1 million bail in court. He specifically requested from the judge that he receive some mental help, and the judge promised to call the prison in person to make sure that he gets that. Live in Montgomery County, Alicia Nieves, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.